Hi everyone, welcome to Georeality Tech. Here we simplify GIS and remote sensing for learners, students and professionals. In today's video, I will show you step by step how to download shapefiles from DIVA-GIS and import them into ArcGIS. If you are just starting with GIS, this is a perfect beginner tutorial. So let's dive in. First, open your browser of your choice and navigate to www.divagis.org. So I'll type divagis.org and click on it. This website offers free country level GIS data like administrative boundaries, roads, and more. So I click on spatial data. Okay, then where is select country? You scroll down to the list. You scroll down to the list and choose the country you want to download. For example, let's select Nigeria. So I click on Nigeria. Okay. Then you choose the type of data you want. We will select administrative area, which usually include national, state, and local government. So this is it, administrative. Okay. Then we click on download. Download. So navigate and save it to any folder of your choice where you'll be able to locate it in your system. This is a zip file that will be added to your system. We click on download. Once the zip file is downloaded, we are going to proceed to extract it. Okay, that's downloaded. So I'll click on show in folder. This is it. Show in folder. Then we'll right click to it and choose extract all. Extract all. Then choose the destination of the extraction. Click. I've already gotten it, so I need to replace it for the purpose of this video. Let me click on replace. So I wait to finish extracting. Let's okay, it's done extracting. Now inside this folder you will see several files. These files include .shp. Let me see. Okay, .shp, .shs file, .dbf, .dbf. Okay, and several others. These three files, .shp, .shs, and .dbf, this file make up your shapefile and must stay together at all times. So the next step, since we are done downloading it, what we will now do is to proceed to our ArcGIS. Now this is the ArcGIS. What we'll now do is we have to add the file we just downloaded, the .shp. So I click on add data. You click on this plus icon, you see add data. You click on it, add data, then add data. Okay, so we have nga admin 0.shp. We have nga admin 1.shp. We have nga admin 2.shp. Like I told you earlier, it has a national, state, and a local government data, level data. So we are going to add the nga admin 0.shp. Then you click on the control button and select the nga admin 1.shp. Also, you select nga admin 2.shp, sorry. You click on add. Boom. Your map appears. You can zoom in, check the attribute table, and start your spatial analysis from here. Okay, so let's see the difference between nga admin 0, nga admin 1, and nga admin 2. So for that, we have to uncheck the 2. Now this is the nga level. Nga admin 0 is the boundary of Nigeria. It's a shapefile showing the boundary of Nigeria. So let me uncheck it and click on nga admin 1. nga admin 1 is the shapefile showing each of the states in Nigeria, the boundary of each of the states, inclusive of the administrative boundary of Nigeria. So you can label it also. You right click on it if you want to label. You right click on any of them that you want to label. You want to label the nga admin 1. I right click on label feature. Okay, here it's showing all Nigeria. Let's change it to states so that each of the states will appear. I right click again. I go to properties. Then label. Now this label field, instead of name _0, I'll change it to name _1. Every other thing should remain the same. Then click OK. You see that it has changed to states. We can see Borno State, Zamfara, Katsina, Kano, etc. So this is all about the administrative boundary, admin 1. So let's see the admin 2. Admin 2 is the shapefile of each of the local governments of Nigeria. Okay, so this is the shapefile showing the local government of Nigeria. And that's it. You've just downloaded and imported a shapefile into ArcGIS. So if you find this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to Georeality Tech, and stay tuned for more practical GIS and remote sensing tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.